So let's make a tick box like this terms and condition. Let's make this box tickable. When you click on it, it ticks. So we'll come to our shape, rectangle shape. Click on your rectangle and drag it. The dimensions, make it 15 by 15. Dimensions, make it 15 by 15. Yeah, so and then go to the text, your pen. Go to your pen tool. This is your pen. So click on the pen, then make a sign. I try to zoom out, so you can click this, try to bring it down, click it again and take it up. So to make a sign, click it once. If you double click it, it will stop drawing. Then go back to our move tool. So and then yeah, you can bring them to let's just do a little bit of adjustment here. Yeah, a little bit of adjustment here by double clicking it and bringing it to size. Okay, so click on this and then the rectangle, hold shift, click on the rectangle, then use shift A, that's to make it auto layout. So either you do shift A, becomes an auto layout, or you right click and go to add auto layout. But now you will say remove auto layout because we've already added auto layout. Okay, so this is what we got. So you can bring this angle to center, this mark to center, by coming here and click this middle alignment, put it in the middle, click the alignment, bring it to the middle, it comes to the middle. Okay, so and so we click on it, and then the next thing is to make it a component. Come to this part, this point, create component, click on it. The next one is add variant, this same at this same position, click add variant, it becomes 2. The next thing, let's remove the tick in this one, this our mark. Let's delete it from this one, double click, just delete it, then it's out. So prototype, let's prototype it. Prototype the first variant to the second variant. So it's asking you to variant 2, yes, on click, yes. Then the second one to the first one, on click 2, yes, on click, then close it. Then the name of this frame is frame 2. We want to change it to ticking. So ticking, I'll now go to, this is file, go to asset, this is your layers panel, click select asset, select ticking, type ticking, so that you can see your component here. You see you have ticking here. Just click and drag it out. Click, hold on, it's out here. You can hold and drag it out. You come here. So this is it. Let's go back to design. So we want to bring it to this place and see what we have done. Now let's preview and see. Okay, you can see, I believe you can see. So this is it. You click on it, now a tick comes out. Click on it again, it goes. You see, you can tick either you agree to the terms and conditions or not. It ticks. So this is the same thing that is at the top here. Yeah, drop there. Okay, so this is good. We've done this. Now we'll look at another tutorial then.